Hey everybody, thanks for joining me for another 5-minute holiday freebie workout. Today I have a nice 5-minute core routine for you. So we're going to come down to the ground. We're going to start out with some leg drops. For each of these exercises, I'm going to try to start a little bit easier and progress. So choose the option that works for you. 1 minute each for the exercises today. Just one round. Taking it down here is our leg drops. So I want you to start with those legs up. You can bring the hands underneath the hip. One leg at a time to start. Think about keeping your abs engaged. Gluing your low back down to the floor. If this is easy, go for both. Keep it nice and controlled. You don't want to rush this too much. Head and neck should be relaxed. If you still want to make it harder, you can bring your arms overhead. But do be aware of that low back. Make sure the work is happening here. Five minutes of core. Almost done this one. Okay, next we're moving into a reverse crunch press up. So pull the knees in and then just a little push. Tap down. Little push. Crunch, push. So knees to chest and then a little push up if you can. To make this one harder, you're just going to push higher. Do be careful with your neck. If you're not used to this movement, start small. Press and down. Little press and down. Higher if you want to. Okay, next we have grab toe touches. So hands are going to be behind you. Try to lift your hips up off the floor. Start by touching the knees. That's no good on your shoulders. You can do this from here. A little more advanced. Reach for your toes. Make it work. Choose what works for you. Keep moving. That's the main thing. We're into our 3rd minute. Flip over. We're going to do some tabletop kickbacks. Easier. Just keep the knees down. Kick, kick. I don't want you to kick too high. Just extend the legs straight out behind. If that's feeling easy, lift those knees a little to a bit of a hover. Keep breathing. Any combination is fine. If you need to come back down for a few and then up for a few, go for it. All right, we're going to come into that same quad position, but shoulder taps. Think about bracing your abs. If this feels like enough, that's fine. Or again, lift those knees. Come down in between if you need to. Hold if you can. This is our last minute. This one is working your arms, your legs, and your core. Brace your abs. Come down for a second if you need. Try to pop it back up. And we are done. If you need to do a little stretch, by all means, please do a little bit of a stretch. Hope you've been enjoying the workouts. Please drop me a comment once you complete it. And I will see you again real soon.